Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we know that cosx, that is about cosine of 2 multiplied by s over number 2. So this one, that is about capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1, we cancel negative and negative, we have positive. This one, we have number 4 sine of s over 2 to the power of 4. Next, about cosine x, that is about similar for this one. So we have number 1 divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we have like this. Next, we have the next one. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can do about factorization by cosec of s over 2 square. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now 1 over 4 multiplied by this one. So this one, that is about negative 1 over 4. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine of s over number 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we got the u equals to negative 1 over 2 cosecant of s over 2 square. Because we don't have negative 1 over 2, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. This one we change for negative number 2 du. So negative number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. About you, that is about this one. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.